Are you one of those people who is a little behind the ball or reluctant to get into the crypto realm? Are you more of a traditional investor? The purpose of this video is to go over some major announcements that Coinbase has made that will solidify my beliefs on why I think Coinbase as a stock is undervalued for the long term. With that being said, my name is D, and here's some game. Coinbase made headlines after announcing a new service that allows customers to deposit their paychecks straight into their Coinbase accounts. Could this be the payroll of the future? I think so. In a few weeks, the service will be available. It will allow Coinbase users in the United States to convert any percentage of their paychecks into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of Coinbase's over 100 tokens. Additionally, there will be no transaction fees associated with the contributions, and users can choose to receive payouts in US dollars directly to their Coinbase account. This can then be spent using a Coinbase Visa card, which works similarly to conventional debit cards. The rollout previously mentioned was prompted by a number of factors. According to Coinbase, users' desire to make short or long-term investments, as well as their desire to earn interest on high-yielding assets. It was also critical to ensure that transfers were simple and convenient. This accessibility will inevitably lead to more cryptocurrency ownership, as has already been the case among both individual and institutional investors over the past year. Furthermore, as compared to traditional banks, the capacity to generate higher interest only adds to the idea of crypto as long-term investments. Theoretically, this should normalize the holding of crypto amongst a wider audience. In any event, this direct deposit option is just one aspect of Coinbase's bigger plan to pay staff in cryptocurrency. M31 Capital, Nansen, and Super Rare Labs are collaborating with Coinbase to make this possible. Coinbase, on the other hand, is far from the only startup to aim toward making crypto salaries a reality. Since 2014, Bitwage, which has been one of the world's leading Bitcoin payroll providers, has been experiencing exponential growth in both transaction volumes and customers. The popularity of being paid in crypto is ever increasing and doesn't look to be going anywhere anytime soon. From athletes like the GOAT Tom Brady expressing interest to other companies like Twitter and even the mayor of Miami.
I want to thank the City of Miami Commissioners for supporting my resolution, which directs the city manager, after analysis, to procure a vendor to be able to offer our employees to get a percentage of their salary in Bitcoin, allows our residents to pay for fees in Bitcoin, and also would allow the city manager to cooperate with Miami-Dade County to allow for taxes to be paid in Bitcoin. It also requests of the state legislature that the City of Miami supports efforts to make Bitcoin an acceptable currency for us to potentially invest in the future. It's wonderful to be a very crypto-forward city in the City of Miami, and I want to thank my commission colleagues for allowing that to happen.
The reason for the increase in popularity is because of the notion of digital assets being long-term investments, in conjunction with high profit generation. According to Bitcoin Stimulus, anyone who invested $1,200 from their stimulus check into Bitcoin in April of 2020 now has $7,599, a 559% increase. Now that's some returns. Another big announcement is Coinbase is entering into the NFT market, dubbed Coinbase NFT. The company announced this on Tuesday, October 12th, that it will launch a marketplace where users can purchase and sell Ethereum-based NFTs. Coinbase's NFT platform is anticipated to debut by the end of the year. Coinbase's offering will go head-to-head with OpenSea, the giant marketplace that now hosts the majority of Ethereum-based NFT transactions. During the NFTs market's blazing run over the last several months, OpenSea saw a surge in utilization, but the usability of a browser-based crypto wallet, on the other hand, still remains to be a barrier for some. Coinbase said, Coinbase NFT will make minting, purchasing, showcasing, and discovering NFTs easier than ever. We're making NFTs more accessible by building intuitive interfaces that put the complexity behind the scenes. Ya dig? This is why these are big announcements. User experience and ease of accessibility are paramount in getting more people involved with crypto adoption. Needless to say, these steps that Coinbase are taking are why, in my opinion, the stock is undervalued. So even if you are an old-timer or a boomer who is reluctant to venture outside of traditional finance, look into Coinbase stock for the long haul. As for day traders and short-term flips, I think some additional technical analysis and diligence is definitely needed. Make sure you do your research. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just going off of information that I'm finding on my quest to better my knowledge. Make sure you send this to parents, grandparents, friends, all of these people who might be hesitant or reluctant to get into the crypto marketplace. With that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all of those things. Stay up to date, follow me, grow with me on this journey of bettering my financial knowledge. If you want to go and take a ride with me and 3 women on the phone with the nosies, oh, do I live this? Hey, must be the money. And let's get this money.